In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of adding a WhatsApp link to your Facebook profile. By doing so, you can facilitate direct communication with your friends, family, or followers on Facebook through the widely used messaging application. To begin, open the Facebook mobile application and tap the menu button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Subsequently, tap on your name at the top, followed by the Edit Profile button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you will find an option labeled Links. Simply tap Add to add a link, and then tap on the Add Social Link button. Next, tap on the Here option and select WhatsApp as the platform. Then, tap on the Here option again and input your phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Ensure that you include the country code, but exclude any plus signs or spaces. After entering your phone number, verify that your social links are set to public. If they are currently set to only me or friends, change the setting to public. Finally, tap Save to save the changes and complete the process. By implementing these steps, anyone who visits your Facebook profile will be able to effortlessly contact you via WhatsApp by clicking on the link you have added. This concludes the tutorial.